You're looking at a 2013 Toyota Prius Hybrid, Package 3, with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 137,000 miles. This car came from Texas. It's been a Southern car all of its life. Comes loaded up, alloy wheels, ABS, traction, stability control, tinted windows. Exterior color is Barcelona red. Just the number right here. Interior is gray cloth interior. Navigation, backup camera, climate control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, hands-free, HD radio, AM, FM. Exact mileage is 137,531. This car was just serviced. Actually, Toyota just replaced the hybrid battery, so it has a brand new hybrid battery, and that was just done today, right at the dealership. Car's in excellent shape. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.